You want to say you like it. Gustar's the verb you need. There are many options to help you succeed. It really means it's pleasing, but let's change it just a bit. We'll translate it from meaning and say we like it. Nos gusta, we like one thing. Nos gustan, two or more. The only difference is the end. Let's look at some more.
Me te le, nos os les. Me te le, nos os les.
Me gusta means I like it. Nos gusta, we do too. Les gusta, they or all you guys. Os gusta, y'all, it's true. Te gusta means you like it. And here's one you'll adore. The Spanish phrase le gusta means a total of 4. You, it, he, and she. You, it, he, and she. Le gusta means 4. You, it, he, and she. What if I don't like it? What should I do? Just put that no right in front. It's such a simple rule. No, no me gusta. Double negatives are okay. No, no me gusta. Now you know what to say.
Me te le, nos os les. Me te le, nos os les.
It really means it's pleasing, but we changed it just a bit. Translated it for meaning to say we like it.
Me te le, nos os les. Me te le, nos os les.
Me te le, nos os les.